So we're getting ready to take off from Ocean City Bike Week. I see you, Matthew. Anyways, yeah, so a lot of bikes out here, a lot of different vendors and stuff like that. So anyways, I was just checking on these fat tire kits for the front of the motorcycle. I've been seeing a lot of them lately, and they're pretty cool. So I stopped by this one vendor, and they said for the fat tire kit, which is a tire, a wheel, some kind of spacer kit, and a fender, it's like $4,200, and that's not including painting the fender. I was like, man, that seems kind of high. Maybe it's not. I don't know. Maybe if you know, you can stick a comment in there and let me know what you think. And if there's some places you can look into to get them that's cheaper, let me know. And then they also said that I've never put a set of wheels on a motorcycle, which a lot of people might find that interesting. But anyways, I asked them how much a couple of wheels and tires would be, and they said like $8,500. I'm like, holy crap. So anyways, I just thought that was really high. Anyway, so if any of you guys have ever replaced wheels on a motorcycle, let me know what you paid for them, or where maybe it'd be a good place to check, because it's definitely something I'd like to do, but I'm not doing it for $8,000. Anyways, talk to you guys later. Get some gas and start heading home. Hope you guys had a great Saturday.